What's up, y'all? Welcome to Student for Life. I'm Quan, in the world where you learn every day. Today, eBay change. Well, not today. I just kind of started noticing it at like probably, I don't know, maybe a day or two. Because when I go out, sometimes I be out at Walmart, I'll be looking for things, scanning and whatnot. And sometimes, you get to when you're scanning and you're picking the sold cops. Usually it used to be two or three little rows down, when you turn on the little indicators. But now it's like it's dropped down to like 4 or 5, maybe even 6. I don't know, like steps down, and it's kind of messed up for me because I'm so used to it being like the second or third, maybe no choice to hit. So I still have mistakes, and when I go to it, I automatically just hit that second or third one, and it's like, oh, now I gotta cut this back off and scroll down even more. So I don't know if eBay did this on purpose or if it's just something they added. I guess they added something to the rest of the list. I don't know, because I don't really pay attention to the rest of it, because I'm always just choosing sold comp. But it's now something I gotta get used to. I don't know if any of you guys going through any of that, but now it's something else I would have to learn again that I already had learned, which was, I knew it was only a couple indicators down. Now it's a couple more, so now it messes up my speed of when I'm searching something. So I don't know, it's just a quick thought of something that I just thought about that was like kind of like, oh nah, it's just like whatever. But that was all I wanted to say. So I will talk to you guys later, and I will see you again. Peace.